What's up, YouTube family? Chad Bennett here, your Make Money Online coach. Today, I am super excited. I'm going to be sharing with you how you can start earning free cryptocurrency, up to 13 different currencies, just with a simple click of a mouse. This is so simple to do. Anybody can do this. Make sure that you stick with me all the way through this. You don't want to miss any of the details. And also at the very end, if you are brand new to cryptocurrency and you're unfamiliar with how it works and you just want to know more about it, stick with me until the very end, because I'm going to show you some bonus footage of how you can earn up to $130 in cryptocurrency in less than an hour just for learning about cryptocurrency. So stick with me until the very end of this video. And then also, without further ado, if you are brand new to this channel, make sure that you're subscribed. It is super important. You click this bright red subscribe box right here. Click this bell notification. That way you are notified immediately when I come out with new content. I'm coming out with weekly videos every single week talking about marketing, mindset, motivation, and primarily how to make money online. And then if you're anything like me and you're an entrepreneur at heart and you want to earn passive income, basically making money while you sleep around the clock, you want to check out this link right here where it says learn how to make money online. This is my #1 recommendation to start earning income online. This is where you can have a life of freedom, fire your boss. Maybe you're just trying to get some more time on your side, whatever it is. This is the link right here that you want to check out if you want to make some serious income online. I've also left a link for that in the description of the video as well. Without further ado, let's jump into this video. I've got a ton of great content for you today. Alrighty, so let's get started. At any time during this video, if you find any valuable content in this video, please smash that thumbs up button. It helps get this content out to as many people as possible. Also helps to grow my channel. Now, the website that you're going to want to be at is called btcnews.com. This is the website that we're going to focus a majority of our attention on today until we get to the bonus content at the very end of this video. So where you're going to get started is right here where it says ES Faucets. You're going to click this box right here. Once you click this, it's going to bring you over to this page, and this is where you're going to sign up, and this is where you can log in after you've actually created your account. Once you click this sign up button right here, if you're a brand new user, it's going to bring you to this page right here, and I'm actually going to leave a link in the description that will actually bring you directly to this page right here. It'll auto-populate this referral code. Now, it's super important that you enter the referral code. It will actually auto-populate for you if you actually click the link that I've left in the description of the video. And now why it's so important is because you're going to get an extra 2,500 ES coin and 100 Satoshi just for entering that referral code. I'm gonna get that as well too, but this is a great way to start earning some extra cryptocurrency during the sign up process just for entering this referral code right here that will actually auto-populate for you if you click the link that I've left in the description. Now, once you're logged in, this is the dashboard. This is where you're going to land. And then there's actually several different ways that you can start earning cryptocurrency on this website for 13 different cryptocurrencies. So we're gonna go through each and every single one of these because I want to point these all out because they're all a great opportunity to actually start earning, some cryptocurrency just for some simple stuff. One of them actually is just for clicking a button. It's so simple. So if we actually browse down the page here, what you're going to see is there's 12 of them listed right here. And if we actually open up the different faucets, there's one more. They have ES coins as well. So BTC News actually has their own coin that they've created as well. So 13 different cryptocurrencies. Now, you can get to this over here on the side, or you can do this from the dashboard by clicking on each of these different cryptocurrencies. So we can click on it over here, or we can do it here. So for this example, we're going to click on the Bitcoin one right here just from the dashboard. We're going to click this where it says view, and then we're going to hit faucet right here. Now, once this web page loads, what you're going to want to focus all of your attention on is right here where it says click here to claim. This is where you're going to actually click just to claim your free cryptocurrency. Now let's move the web page up just a little bit more because I want you to see this timer. You can only click this link, I believe, every 3 to 5 minutes, and this is for all 13 of these different cryptocurrencies because you can do this for every single one of these. So it's great to leave this web page up, and every 5 to 10 minutes you can come back to this page, click these links again, and earn more cryptocurrency just for clicking a link. So simple to do. So for this example, I'm gonna click this right here. It opens this little pop-up on the side. So we'll close that. You're gonna click right here where it says I'm not a robot. And then you're gonna click verify, and it's gonna do claiming, and then it says claim complete. Now, after it completes that claim completing process, you'll see that you've actually earned the claim amount. You can see in the example that I just showed you, the 3.32 Satoshi right here for Bitcoin, that's the total earned that I've earned right there. Now, there's a couple other things that I wanted to point out on this page. they have some different bonuses that you can actually do to earn more cryptocurrency. These are very, very simple things. They don't always have these on here, so when it does show this, you want to click these and attempt these, because this is a great way to earn some extra Bitcoin or Satoshi just for doing these things. So right up here, they have a survey, and you can earn 688.37723 Satoshi just for taking this short survey right here. They also have some special offers. You can click that if you see these links on there and earn 6,000 or 60,000 Satoshi just for doing this. You can basically register for a Coinbase account and deposit $100 and earn 60,000 Satoshi just for doing that. If that's something that interests you, you can also post your Bitcoin payment proof on Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram and earn 50 Bitcoin or Satoshi just for posting the proof that you've actually, received payment. Now, one thing I do want to point out, the special offer that they have right here for registering for a Coinbase account, that is actually super important, because if you don't already have a crypto wallet, this is where you're going to buy and sell all of your cryptocurrency. This is how you can actually turn this into like PayPal cash and convert that back to actual money that you can actually send back to your bank account and actually cash that out for actual cash. So you're going to want to make sure that you actually set up a Coinbase account. I highly recommend Coinbase. Those guys are awesome. And at the very end of this, we're going to discuss a little bit more about Coinbase, because I have a super cool bonus content that I'm going to share with you of how you can actually earn $130 worth of cryptocurrency just for learning about crypto. So let's quickly just jump back over to the dashboard. I want to bring you down to the bottom here, and you can see right here, this is all the different claims that I've done thus far. You can see all the different ones that I've clicked on and to claim my free cryptocurrency. And like I said, this is so simple to do. Just to run through one real quick again, let's click on this Digibyte one. Let's click on Faucet. It's going to bring us over to the Digibyte Faucet one. We're going to scroll down to the bottom here. We're going to click here to claim. It's going to open up that little thing on the side. This is junk. We can close that. You're going to click right there, I'm not a robot. You're going to click verify and then claim complete. So simple to do. And then if we come back to the dashboard, we can just keep repeating this with every single one of these different cryptocurrencies. Now, there's a handful of different methods that you can use on this website to actually earn cryptocurrency just for doing some very simple things. One thing that I want to point out that's actually really cool is if you want to be able to do this on your smartphone, you can click right there where it says mobile applications. It's going to bring you to this page right here, and they have a bunch of different applications for each one of these different currencies right here. You can download it for your Android device or your iOS device and actually do the same thing on your smartphone. So that's super cool. You don't have to be sitting at a computer to actually do this. You can do this right on your smartphone. Now, very quickly, there's a couple other methods that you can actually use to start generating some cryptocurrency right on this website. You can click right here where it says offers, and they have some offers where you can take surveys and watch videos just to earn some extra cryptocurrency doing that, if that's something that interests you. And if you click this miner tab right here, it'll bring you to this page right here, and you can actually start utilizing your machine, basically lend out some of its resources. If you have a very powerful like gaming type computer, you can simply click this start button right here. It'll start mining crypto right on this website, and you can start earning that just by clicking that and letting it continue to run. I don't recommend this if you don't have a somewhat powerful computer, because it will probably bog it down too much. And you also want to make sure that you read this disclaimer down here and stuff like that to make sure that you're not at risk of like overheating your computer or anything for doing this method right here. So just be cautious when you do this. But a very simple, easy method. If you have a very fast computer, you can click start right here, let it sit there and churn through and start mining crypto for you right on this website. Very cool. Now, I told you at the beginning of this video that if you stuck with me until the very end, I was going to share with you how you can earn up to $130 in 1 hour just for learning about cryptocurrency. And you're going to need to do this anyways. You need to know as much about cryptocurrencies as you possibly can, and you need to visit this website, which I highly recommend, called Coinbase. This is where you're going to buy and sell all the different cryptocurrency that you're actually earning. This is how you can actually turn it into PayPal and actually send it back to your bank if you're interested in doing that. However, if you come to Coinbase.com and you come down here to the bottom, they actually have a tab down here for it. If this isn't here when you visit this website, come up to here where it says products, and then click right here where it says earn, make money earning crypto. And it's going to bring you to the same page. So we'll go back to the home page. If you see this, when you arrive at this page, you can click Start Earning right here where it says earn up to $130 worth of crypto. It's going to bring you to the same page. Now, when we arrive here, this is basically just a bunch of video courses that you watch. A lot of them are 5 to 10 minutes. We'll check out this one at the very top right here. It says that DAI is a stablecoin that aims to be worth exactly $1 US. Learn how it works. So you can earn up to 20 DAI just for starting this course and watching these videos. So we'll click this right here. Now, each one of these is a different video, and I believe there's a small quiz after every single one of these videos. They're very, very easy to do. So you'll click that, you'll watch the 2-minute video, you'll earn 2 DAI, $2 just for watching a 2-minute video and taking a small little quiz just to make sure that you understand what that you're comprehending what you just learned on that video. Very, very simple stuff here. So there you have it, my friends. There's several methods that I just shared with you of how you can start earning cryptocurrency 100% for free just at the click of a mouse. You can also watch some videos, earn up to $130 in less than 1 hour just for learning about cryptocurrency. You cannot beat that. I actually have a video that's dedicated to that. If you want to watch that, make sure you check out my channel. You can check out that video directly on my channel. I'll leave a link for it in the description as well. So that's all I have for you today. Make sure that you're subscribed. Make sure that you click this bright red subscribe box right here. Make sure that you hit this bell notification. That way you're notified immediately when I come out with new content, because I'm coming out with weekly videos, you guys, teaching you tons of fabulous methods of how you can start generating an income online. But remember, like I said, if you're anything like me and you want life-changing results where you can actually fire your boss and have a life of freedom and create some insane results online and make some serious cash, you want to check out this link right here that I've left directly beneath this video, chadbennettlive.com. You can type that directly into your browser. You can click this. It's going to bring you to a website. It's going to ask for your name and your email address. Make sure that you enter a legitimate email address. I'm going to send you out a free video, teach you how you can actually start your own online business and start doing what I'm doing. I started 6 months ago, you guys, and I've had phenomenal results. So that's where you want to get started if that sounds appealing to you. So that's all I have for you today. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.